While the demand for luxury resort services continues to rise, the supply is limited. Hence, this is a good opportunity to develop the resort real estate segment in this dreamy mountain city. Extract of birth certificate is a document issued by a competent state agency to prove the birth fact of an individual registered at the Civil Status Registry. According to the regulations in Vietnam, the original birth certificate cannot be reissued. A birth extract is a certified true copy of the birth certificate. The reason people need to apply for a copy of the birth certificate extract is because the original copy of the civil status extract is lost or damaged. Gathering publicly available company information and performing background checks on key personnel to find potential risks in cooperation. Working with a reliable partner can help achieve economic benefits, saving time and money in business. However, at present, because the electronic civil status database system has not been synchronized nationwide, the request for issuance of a copy of civil status extract is still within the competence of the People's Committee of the province, commune where the birth was originally registered. The birth certificate extract from the original has the same value as the original. Applying for a copy of extract birth certificate is an administrative procedure. Specifically, the person who wishes to apply for a copy of extract birth certificate can do this by himself or authorize another person to carry out this procedure. In addition, the requester can apply in person or send it by post or submit an application online through the National Public Service Portal. In addition, the application for a copy of extract birth certificate must also comply with the regulations. Accordingly, the dossier includes I. Declaration, 2. The original of one of the identification papers to prove identity, 3. Power of attorney or documents proving the kinship relationship. The authorization must be made in writing and authenticated according to the law. In case authorizing a relative, the authorization document does not need to be notarized or authenticated, but documents relating to the relationship with the authorizing person is needed. If the documents are in a foreign language, they must be translated into Vietnamese and notarized or authenticated by the translator's signature as prescribed by law. Within 3 working days from the date of receipt of the dossier, the Civil Status Registration and Management Agency will verify the dossier and compare the information in the electronic civil status database. If the request for certification is correct, a document certifying civil status information shall be returned to the requester. In case of having to check and verify, the time limit can be extended but not exceeding 10 working days. If the birth registration data is not found, the Civil Status Agency will normally send a written reply with the content not found in the data.